Carvana has made waves for its goal of disrupting the traditional automotive retail industry by offering a differentiated experience to customers. It is an e-commerce platform for buying and selling used cars. They market themselves as offering transparent, quality, and convenience, providing customers with access to a wide selection of vehicles, easy online transactions, financing options, warranty coverage, and fast delivery times, made possible by their proprietary algorithms for inventory management, logistics networks for direct deliveries, and over 50 auction sites in the U.S. To better understand all the negative and positive coverage of this company, let's take a look at the used car market and see how Carvana has been trying to innovate. In doing so, we'll also reveal the progress and potential of the company, while also bringing attention to general and specific obstacles that have or could get in the way of Carvana's path forward. Some key issues the company set out to solve relate to the U.S. automotive industry being large and fragmented, with used car retail representing a significant portion of the market. However, the traditional used car buying process can be unsatisfactory due to the current model being operationally challenging and costly, as described by Carvana, mainly because of factors like inventory sourcing, financing capabilities, and showroom facilities. Automotive retail faces challenges including big-ticket purchases, diverse customer preferences, complex transactions, reliance on third parties, and regulatory variability. These factors present an opportunity for disruption in the industry by offering a differentiated experience to customers. After all, the way consumers are buying cars is changing, with a growing preference for e-commerce solutions. Even back in 2023, the Car Buyer Journey report showed used car buyers spend an average of 7 hours researching vehicles online. Then, with e-commerce surpassing 15% of total retail sales in the U.S., more consumers are interested in buying so-called taste-driven, higher-priced products such as consumer electronics and home furnishings online, along with products like cars online, with 64% of buyers preferring to experience more of the purchase process digitally compared to their last vehicle purchase. Auto consumers have distinct expectations when purchasing a vehicle, which can be challenging for traditional used car retailers to address. These include a wide selection of vehicles with varying models, styles, colors, ages, and prices, as well as differing tastes and purchasing goals and budgets. Consumers also want consistent quality and fair value, confidence in the mechanical soundness of their purchase, and a fast, simple purchasing process. Traditional used car retailers may lack the logistical capabilities to source vehicles quickly and cost-effectively, and they often have high overhead costs that are passed on to customers. Not to mention, traditional dealerships may not offer the pressure-free customer experience that many consumers desire, presenting an opportunity for disruption in the industry. Think the classic pushy used car salesman stereotype people want to avoid encountering. For these reasons, Carvana aims to address the evolving needs of auto consumers by providing a no-pressure, no-haggle experience with flexible and fast transactions. They offer a wide selection of high-quality used vehicles, a transparent and convenient purchasing process, and personalized financing options. Carvana also provides easy vehicle return and warranty policies for their customers. Their vertically integrated business model allows them to have a lower variable cost structure compared to the traditional dealerships, resulting in what they claim is substantial value for their customers. Carvana asserts they've created a differentiated platform that provides a fast, simple, and consistent user experience. This is made possible with innovations like their patented photo technology for interactive vehicle searches, alongside their proprietary financing technology that provides customers with flexible and transparent and nearly instantaneous credit decisions. Combined with an efficient logistics network with in-house delivery, and unique vending machine option, and scaled used vehicle infrastructure capable of inspecting and reconditioning well over 1 million cars per year, contributing to their ability to provide a seamless car buying and selling experience while reducing costs and enhancing the quality of loans generated, while at the same time reaping the benefits from network effects as they expand their national inventory, further promoting these advantages, leading to further growth in retail units sold and increased gross profit per unit, making it an innovative enough force for disrupting traditional used vehicle sales models, especially in this highly competitive industry where competitors include traditional used vehicle dealerships, online automotive sites, membership-based car buying services, e-commerce platforms, offline marketplaces, automobile manufacturers, and emerging brands. The primary competitive factors in this market center on transparency, convenience, price, selection, and vehicle quality. Competitors can be classified into 3 segments: franchise dealerships, independent dealerships, and online dealerships marketplaces, along with privately negotiated transactions between individuals, which is why transparency, convenience, and quality are so central to Carvana's platform. Then, To stay ahead of the competition, Carvana's growth strategies primarily focus on increasing retail vehicle unit sales through market penetration in existing markets, optimizing inventory selection, continuous innovation in technology, enhancing their mobile sales platform, developing broad consumer brand awareness, generating customer referrals and repeat sales, and introducing new complementary products and services. By investing in these key elements, Carvana aims to improve efficiency, maximize infrastructure support for efficient growth, and maintain a competitive edge in the used automotive retail industry. Carvana's customer lifecycle includes various stages: search and discovery, where customers can browse and research vehicles using features on their website; virtual tour, which allows customers to view the selected vehicle in detail; seamless transaction technology, offering quick purchase process with financing options, complementary products, trade-in options, and easy documentation process. Customers can choose between delivery or picking up their vehicle at one of Carvana's vending machines. Post-sale customer support is provided through coordination and service call processes, returns or exchanges according to the company's 7-day return policy. This process has led to high satisfaction ratings and repeat customers. Quite important, since the company acquires used vehicles primarily from customers who trade or sell their cars directly to them, as well as from national auctions and other suppliers like finance and leasing companies, as well as rental car firms. They use proprietary algorithms to analyze over 100,000 potential vehicle purchases daily and determine the best offers based on quality, fit, desirability, value, and reconditioning costs. After purchasing a vehicle, Carvana performs an inspection and reconditioning process at their inspection and reconditioning centers, IRCs. They then utilize patented photo technology to capture 360-degree exterior and interior images of each vehicle, providing transparency to customers. Lastly, they employ an in-house auto logistics network for transportation and fulfillment, enabling them to offer accurate predictions of vehicle availability and ensure a seamless customer experience. In terms of vehicle transportation and delivery, Carvana has established local marketing presence and logistics networks in over 300 metropolitan cities across the U.S., covering over 80% of the population. Since launching their first market in January 2013, they have served almost 2 million customers through purchasing, reconditioning, selling, and delivering retail vehicles. When it comes to marketing, Carvana targets a customer base similar to the overall market, for used cars with an emphasis on younger customers. Their multi-channel sales and marketing strategy includes brand building and direct response tactics to expand their local markets. Advertising efforts cover traditional mediums like TV, as well as digital channels like social media, and especially search engines, lead generators, automotive finance partners, and vehicle listing sites to drive traffic to their website and mobile app. The company acknowledges that their visibility in search results is not entirely within their control and may be affected by competitors or changes in search engine algorithms. They also focus on customer loyalty through repeat purchases and referrals, while investing in public relations and patented vending machines for further growth. In order for Carvana's operations to run smoothly for anticipated growth, they contend with difficulties in obtaining necessary approvals, permits, and licenses for their inspection centers, auction sites, and vending machines. Concerns from landlords and lenders regarding leasing or financing properties for these purposes, reliance on a single supplier for constructing portions of their vending machines and providing technical support and maintenance, unknown durability of the vending machines leading to possible significant maintenance expenses, and dependency on vendors and suppliers for constructing and operating parts of their inspection centers. Carvana's reliance on technology at every stage of their process cannot be understated. From purchasing inventory, reconditioning vehicles, photography, annotation, online merchandising, sales, financing, trade-ins, logistics to delivery. On top of the previously mentioned range of proprietary and exclusive use technologies like custom-built inventory management systems, automated photography tech. They also utilize advanced filtering and search systems for customers, logistical models for optimized transport, an automated delivery system, vending machine, and predictive models for finance applications. Third-party technology is also essential, including identity verification services, telemetry for fleet transportation, network infrastructure for hosting their website, software libraries and tools, digital signing of contract services, customer service call center management software, and automation controls for vending machines. As for regulations for Carvana and its competition in the industry, they must abide by extensive U.S. federal, state, and municipal regulation. This includes advertising, sale, purchase, financing, and transport of motor vehicles. Regulatory bodies at the federal level include the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, Federal Trade Commission, Department of Transportation, Occupational Health and Safety Administration, Department of Justice, SEC, and Federal Communications Commission. At the state and local levels, various agencies oversee licensing, consumer protection, financial regulation, and other aspects of Carvana's business operations. Compliance audits are conducted by these authorities. Some states require a used vehicle dealer license for Carvana to conduct business there. In other states, licenses are obtained to maximize operational flexibility and efficiency. Most states regulate retail installment sales with caps on interest rates, fees, or financed amounts. Environmental laws and regulations also govern aspects of the company's operations, such as air and water quality, material storage, handling and disposal, hazardous waste management, and compliance permits. Overall, these regulatory requirements are not expected to have a significant impact on Carvana's capital expenditures, earnings, or competitive position in the near future, though they are still attentive to risks related to larger automotive ecosystem factors such as consumer demand, global supply chain challenges, and macroeconomic issues, largely because of the current economic climate with its inflation expectations, high interest rates, unpredictable vehicle prices, and reduced availability of credit, which are expected to continue affecting the market for used vehicles. The business is affected by changes in new and used vehicle prices. Significant fluctuations in these prices can negatively impact revenue and operations. Factors such as rising interest rates, increased prices for new vehicles compared to used ones, manufacturer incentives, and an influx of new vehicle lease returns could contribute to a narrowing price gap between new and used vehicles. This may result in reduced sales and lower revenue for Carvana, as could changes in wholesale prices for used vehicles that can also affect their margins and overall profitability. Other longer-term factors to consider are environmental regulation and growing electric vehicle adoption, partly driven by government incentives, which could change consumer car purchasing behavior and force Carvana to adapt. As for specific regulatory risks, the Telephone Consumer Protection Act, TCPA, could negatively impact a business like Carvana. This is because the company uses phone calls and text messages for customer communication and lead generation. They generate leads from their website and app, prompting customers to provide phone numbers for further contact. TCPA violations can result in statutory penalties of $500 to $1,500 per violation, legal liability, fines, or damage to reputation. While the company has implemented processes to comply with the TCPA, any future changes or failures to adhere to these rules could affect their business. Another special consideration Carvana must keep in mind relates to their relationship with DriveTime, which has allowed Carvana to benefit from shared services and economies of scale. This is because even though many services previously provided by DriveTime are now handled by alternative vendors or in-house, they still maintain a connection through common ownership and continue to collaborate on certain services like accounting, finance, legal, and information technology systems. Moreover, Carvana has mentioned potential vehicle and automotive finance receivables transactions between the two companies, but no guarantees are given for similar terms or continuation of these activities. Then, even with all their innovation, like their proprietary algorithm that assesses the mechanical soundness, desirability, and value of around 100,000 potential vehicles daily, Carvana can still face challenges in acquiring desirable vehicle inventory and parts for reconditioning. Their business depends on access to attractive inventory and parts. They acquire vehicles from various sources, but cannot guarantee the availability or price of desirable used vehicles. Issues in adjusting appraisal offers, recognizing market trends, or properly assessing vehicles before purchase could harm Carvana's ability to acquire desirable inventory. Competition from other dealers and websites driving appraisal traffic could also affect their sourcing capabilities. Not to mention, commercial suppliers of used vehicles regularly review their relationships with wholesale car auctions and may require changes in the way Carvana operates, potentially affecting future agreements. The company's ability to quickly sell its inventory is crucial for its success, as failure to do so can negatively impact sales and operations. The business purchases used vehicles based on projected demand, and an underestimation can lead to oversupply, causing lower product prices, reduced margins, and longer average days to sale. To address this, the company has normalized its inventory size in recent years. For example, reducing pooled inventory from 71,062 units in 2021 to 63,992 units in 2022 and 33,075 units in 2023. However, having a large portion of total assets tied to used vehicle inventory for an extended period exposes the business to risks like depreciation or inflation. This could lead to reduced margins and affect the company's ability to liquidate excess inventory at targeted prices, ultimately impacting operations. In general, automotive finance receivables contribute significantly to the company's gross profit. Customers often use financing services when purchasing used vehicles from the company. The price earned from selling these finance receivables depends on various factors such as credit risk, interest rates, historical credit performance, market demand, and other variables. Changes in these factors may lead to reduced sale prices or fewer sales of finance receivables, impacting business. Customers could also choose alternative financing options, causing a loss of revenue for the company. The inability to sell automotive finance receivables relies on originating desirable finance receivables. If incorrect or fraudulent data is provided by customers or other parties, it may lead to offering credit terms misaligned with their credit profiles, potentially harming operating results. The company offers financing for purchasing used vehicles and assesses customers' credit worthiness based on the information gathered. Inaccurate or fraudulent data could result in originating finance receivables that perform poorly or cannot be sold due to incorrect credit profiles. Then there's also the matter of Carvana obtaining affordable insurance for their inventory or maintain adequate relationships with lenders. The company relies on insurance coverage to protect against potential losses and liability claims, but there is no guarantee that this insurance will remain available at reasonable costs or provide sufficient coverage. Failure to renew agreements with lenders, such as the one with Ally Financial, could lead to a decline in inventory supply. Where there's innovation, there are obstacles, and innovating in the used car market is a great example of that. For more on Carvana and other companies, please subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.